NASA's mission to put humans on an asteroid was revealed. Keep watching the video to know the full story. Asteroids are small planetary bodies of our solar system that is made out of rocks. An asteroid impact cannot be neglected, keeping in mind the past events. No science geek can forget how dinosaurs got extinct after an asteroid hit the Earth 66 million years ago. But not every asteroid poses a threat to our planet unless they have a gigantic size of almost 96 kilometers, 60 miles, enough to wipe out the Earth's atmosphere and humanity completely. But don't worry, NASA has a plan for it. Every space mission has its own spectacular background narrative and always be an eye-opener for a layman. Just like that, first time in its history, NASA will be testing to detect, remove, and deflect an asteroid from its orbit. Ah, impressive! The objective is to chart the path of the asteroid during its collision with Earth and move it to stable orbit around the Moon. They named this mission the Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART, targeting a planetary system that has two asteroids. Why double? Scientists have found the perfect binary asteroid system for this mission that consists of a small moonlit asteroid Dimorphos that orbits the larger asteroid Didymos, approximately 960 meters in diameter. Normally, asteroids like this can present a small level of risk to Earth. Unmanned spacecraft will be sent when this asteroid is 11 kilometers away from the Earth. A spacecraft will crash into Dimorphos with a speed of 6 km per second and change the moonlet asteroid's motion from its orbit. After deflecting Didymos, astronauts will be able to visit and take the samples from this redirected asteroid. This whole voyage must be really intriguing for the whole of humanity as it holds many secrets. The samples will revolutionize the scope of space study as scientists can learn about the history of our solar system. These expeditions to asteroids will help facilitate astronauts to collect evidence of how these planetary bodies look internally. Many observations and hypotheses confirm that these asteroids may contain useful resources from which astronauts can obtain water, rock fuel, and other materials in the future. This mission will not only allow astronauts to travel to Mars independent of Earth, it will also open many doors for future development in the area of space technologies. Kinetic impactor is a lead example of a technology that will be tested with a DART. The spacecraft will work on a modern science technique called solar electric propulsion (SEP). Unlike the usual chemical propulsion, this spacecraft generates thrust by utilizing electricity from multiple solar panels. As a result, SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket uses 10 times less propellant than any other spacecraft. This propulsion system developed by NASA is called NEXT-C, NASA's Evolutionary Xenon Thruster Commercial. Another interesting fact is that it would be the first spacecraft that is made for a solo suicide mission and will crash into its target in space. The camera DRACO will record the view that will be observed through telescopes on Earth. DRACO technology will also help in the navigation during the whole mission. DART spacecraft had been already launched on 23rd November from the city of California, while it will collide with its moonlet target between the period of mid-September 2022 to October 2022. Asteroid Redirected Mission (ARM) is a fundamental technology development that will help to prevent the Earth from the hazardous impact of disastrous asteroids that may collide with the Earth in the future. To know more about DART, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.